Good morning, class. Welcome to day 3 of our farm unit. Today we're going to learn about a new animal. The first day we kind of did farms in general. Yesterday we learned a little bit about cows and how they get milk from cows. Today we have a whole new animal. It's kind of a big animal. It has a cute little squiggly round curly Q tail. It's pink. It says oink oink. If you guessed pigs, you were right. I don't have any toy pigs, so I made a picture, printed a picture of some pig farmers. Did you know that pigs grow on farms? They sure do. So farmers use pigs to make things like ham and bacon. Do you like ham and bacon? I do. I actually made bacon this morning. My family loves bacon, and so do I. It's so yummy. In fact, I was lucky that there was some left over for me to show you in this video, because we like bacon in this house. So that's why farmers raise pigs. So they have mama pigs, and the mama pigs have baby pigs, and the baby pigs grow and grow and grow so that they have so many pigs. Isn't that cool? So I was wondering, like, I don't know very much about pigs, so I looked some things up. Did you ever notice that every time you see pigs in pictures, most of the time they don't look nice and neat and clean? They're like sitting in mud, which is weird. It's the only animal that is always sitting in mud when you see it in a picture. And I was wondering why. And I found out that, well, when you get hot outside, your body starts to sweat. And that's how God made your body, so that you could cool down. That sweat is actually designed to help you cool down so you don't get too hot. Pigs can't sweat. I didn't know that. So the reason that they like to sit in mud is that the mud is nice and cool, and it cools them off because they can't sweat. So who knew that? I also found out that pigs are super smart. Some people think they're even smarter than dogs. They can learn new things. They have really good memories. They know which people are nice to them, and they remember which ones aren't nice to them. They like to play with each other, just like you guys like to play with friends. Pigs like to play with friends too. Isn't that interesting? I didn't know that. One more thing I learned, I actually know this because I know some farmer friends. When you raise animals on a farm, you have to work every day. I'm wondering, how often do you like to eat? Do you like to eat every day? I'm thinking you like to eat like several times every single day, right? So do animals. They have to eat every day. So when you are a pig farmer or a cow farmer, even if it's Christmas morning and you want to get up and open presents, you have to go feed your pigs. And at night when you're getting tired and you just want to sit down and watch some TV and relax, you got to go feed your pigs. And if it's your birthday, you have to go feed your pigs. And if you want to go on vacation, you still have to feed your pigs. So you have to find a friend who knows how to take care of pigs, who can come feed your pigs for you and take care of them while you're gone. You can't just take off and go on vacation. So I have a story for you. It's another farm story. There are pigs in it. It's a silly one. It's called Giggle, Giggle, Quack. It is by Doreen Cronin. And it's pretty silly. I seem to have picked a lot of silly farm books. Let's see. Giggle, Giggle, Quack. Farmer Brown was going on vacation. He left his brother Bob in charge of the animals. Remember I said, you can't just go on vacation. You have to find somebody to take care of your animals for you. So Farmer Brown got his friend Bob. Bob's not really dressed like a farmer, is he? I wonder if he knows about farms. I wrote everything down for you. Just follow my instructions and everything will be fine. But keep an eye on Duck. He's trouble. There's Duck. What is Duck looking at? He's looking at a pencil. That might be a clue. Farmer Brown thought he heard giggles and snickers as he drove away, but he couldn't be sure. Bob gave Duck a good long stare. Can you stare? And he went inside. He read the first note. Tuesday night is pizza night, not the frozen kind. The hens prefer anchovies. Giggle, giggle, quack. Who do you think that Farmer Brown left a note about feeding pizza to the animals? 29 minutes later, there was hot pizza in the barn. Bob checked on the animals before he went to bed. Everything was just fine. He's really trying to take good care of them. Next day, Wednesday, is bath day for the pigs. Wash them with my favorite bubble bath and dry them off with my good towels. Remember, they have very sensitive skin. Do you think that Farmer Brown washes his pigs with his good bath towels and his good bubble bath? Giggle, giggle, oink. Bob had the pigs washed in no time. That's so silly. They're in the bathtub. Bob is working really hard to take care of the pigs. Farmer Brown called home on Wednesday night to check in. Did you feed the animals like I wrote in the note? He asked. Done, replied Bob, counting 7 empty pizza boxes. Did you see my note about the pigs? All taken care of, said Bob proudly. Are you keeping a close eye on Duck? He asked. Bob gave Duck a good long stare. Duck was too busy sharpening his pencil to notice. Just keep him in the house, ordered Farmer Brown. He's a bad influence on the cows. Giggle, giggle, moo. Giggle, oink. Giggle, quack. New note. Thursday night is movie night. It's the cows' turn to pick. Giggle, giggle, moo. Bob was in the kitchen popping corn. Just as the animals settled in to watch the sound of music, the phone rang. The only thing Farmer Brown heard on the other end was giggle, giggle, quack, giggle, moo, giggle, oink. Uh-oh. Duck! Screamed Farmer Brown. Do you see Duck's note? He says, "It's for you, Bob." Now what's happening on the last page? There aren't any words. But it looks like Farmer Brown is coming home to take care of that naughty duck. The end. Okay, so just like yesterday, I have a song for you. Yesterday we did a finger play about cows. Today I have a song about pigs. So let's review our cow finger play real quick. We'll do it one time before I teach you the song. Are you ready? 5 spotted cows. Get your hands ready. 5 spotted cows standing in a line. The first one said, "I'm feeling fine." The second one said, "How do you do?" The third one said, "Moo, moo, moo." they're shaking hands. The fourth one said, I'm grazing grass. The fifth one said, I'm full at last. So the cows stood together and they said, we're through. Let's all take a bow and all say moo. Our next song is called Five Little Pigs, and it's kind of like Five Little Ducks, but it's Five Little Pigs. Are you ready? Get your hand ready. Five little pigs rolled in the mud, squishy, squashy, felt so good. The farmer took one piggy out, oink, 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 that pig did shout. So if the farmer took one pig out, how many are left? There were five, now there are four. Four little pigs rolled in the mud, squishy, squashy, felt so good. The farmer took one piggy out, oink, 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 that pig did shout. Now there's three. Three little pigs rolled in the mud, squishy, squashy, felt so good. The farmer took one piggy out, oink, 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 that pig did shout. Now we're down to two pigs. Two little pigs rolled in the mud, squishy, squashy, felt so good. The farmer took one piggy out, oink, 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 that pig did shout. One little pig rolled in the mud, squishy, squashy, felt so good. The farmer took one piggy out, oink, 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 that pig did shout. No little pigs rolled in the mud, they all looked so clean and good. The farmer turned his back and then those pigs rolled in the mud again. Do you believe it? The farmer took all the time to give the pigs a bath. As soon as he turned his back, they got right back in the mud. That's crazy. So, remember our mural. Now it's time for our art challenge. We have a barn, we have a cow. And guess what I'm gonna ask you to draw today? I already drew one. A pig. I made a pig by drawing, this was an oval and then I covered it up with mud. I drew an oval, and then I drew a circle and made that a face and a tail. And he had little feet on the bottom, but then I decided he needed to be covered up in mud. So you are going to draw your own pig and you're going to cut it out just like this, really fast. You don't have to cut yours fast. I'm gonna cut mine kind of fast because you're waiting. And I used markers and crayons today because I wanted pink crayons instead of markers. Just seemed like it would work better. You can use whatever you want. What was your favorite part of that story? I liked seeing the pigs playing in the bathtub. I think that was funny. So, got my muddy pig. I'm wondering where I should put it. Let's see, where should I put the muddy pig? Let's see, get some glue on there. Don't want it to come apart, come off. And I'm gonna put the pig in the corner. Pig, my animals are getting bigger. Pig is really big compared to the cow. My pig is almost as big as my barn. That's kind of silly. But there we go, day 3. So add a pig to your mural. See you next time.